bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Hi guys, it's the better looking half of UK-PINAY here. Wow, I'm gonna tell you, Monday night, 9:30. Just got home from sunny Sunderland. Except for it's not sunny, it's been pissing it down with rain all the way down here. So we're back home. I've been at work since 5:30 this morning. It's now 9:30 at night. We've cleared up the complete flat in Sunderland, totally moved out. Because the lease is up on it until the 12th of January when we come back from the Philippines. So Ascension, Mrs. C, as we all know her as, she's been tidying up today and packing everything, and I came home from work, chucked everything in the back of the Range Rover, and we're back home. Look at this. Mrs. C, what's going on?
I think tomorrow we'll sort it out, I don't know.
I don't know what you're talking about, babe.
I don't know what we're gonna start, babe. That's why you want to start.
Well, should we start from here? Oh, actually, no. We'll thank you. We'll start from here. Yeah, I mean, look at this, guys. We've Ascension's been tidying out 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. She's just got rid of
all the meats.
all the meat. The freezer's full.
I don't know why we got so many
Loads
bread.
of stuff here. Let's all come back.
We got so many bread that we
Look
don't...
how much rice we've got, guys. 2 bags of rice, and incredibly, I've got 3 cases of beer. My God. Washing up powder. I mean, look in the fridge. This is not normally what you keep in the fridge, but look at this. Welcome. Milk, coffee.
At least that fridge is not
That's
working.
just full of coffee, and I mean full of coffee. Fridge isn't working. We're using it as storage at the minute. Down in the bottom, I can't even get into that at the moment, but that's completely rammed full of washing powder. Yeah, Ascension's busy packing everything away. What else we got in here? Suitcases and more stuff and more stuff and more stuff, and we even brought the fan back. Look. Right, well, there you go. That is us. So, I've officially broken up now for about 5 weeks. That's it. No more work. Ugh, hang on a minute. I don't think we'll be eating that tonight, guys. What is it?
The bun.
I think it's bread, isn't it, babe? Let's get that. Filed that one to B1N, or bin. Yeah, where was I? So yeah, broken up. 12th of January. So we'll go back up to Sunderland on the 11th of January after Christmas, after New Year. We'll check back into the same apartment, and then I'll go to work on the Monday, on the 12th. Holiday over.
I don't know why we got so many bread that we're going to Philippines.
We better start eating it then, babe. How many days we got till we fly?
3.
We've got Tuesday, which is tomorrow, then Wednesday, then Thursday, and then Friday morning we'll set off at 4 in the morning to Manchester Airport. So 3 days to sort our shit out, and then we're off. Philippines, here we come. We're coming. So we're going to start doing a bit of blogging now, a bit of countdown blogging, preparing. And then on Friday morning at 4 in the morning, you're going to see 2 very tired people getting in the car with 4 suitcases and 2 camera bags and cabin luggage. Cabin luggage. Luggage.
Not
Why did I say
cabbage.
luggage? I said cabbage.
You said cabbage.
That's what's going to happen, guys. Right, very tired. As I said, I've done like, I don't know, I can't even count. 19 hours, then a 3-hour drive or something stupid like that.
I will sort it out this one tomorrow.
I'm going to say goodbye and good night. So
Goodbye guys. Salamat sa panonood. Ingat palagi.
yeah, all right. See you later.
Bye.
Oh, and before everybody goes, apparently we've got copyright issues. You know that lovely theme tune that we've had for the last 2 years? You know, like a bird on it, yeah, that one. We're not going to use it anymore because we can't monetize off it well, it doesn't really matter because we make bugger all anyway out of the channel. It's not like we're monetising and anything. I think what we got 300, 400 subscribers. We need more. But anyway, long story short, we can't play the video in some countries like Russia. Well, it doesn't really matter because it's that bloody stupid Putin stupid country.
We've been using that for how many years? I don't know why.
2 years, babe. Because it's YouTube and they're just a pain in the ass.
We don't have any problem before.
No, we've got problems now though, apparently. So, what I'm going to do, not on this video, guys, but on the next video, you're going to have some brand new theme music. Alright, I think I'll just snazz it up a little bit. Anyway, I'm knackered. We're going to bed soon as Ascension's finished clearing out World War III in the kitchen.
I think I was going to pick up tomorrow some of them because I can't now.
Yeah, and then we've got to find a place for it all to live, because look, Ascension's kitchen, that's just a cell in the kitchen, guys. That's the ladder. Even that massive fridge freezer over there, which doesn't work anymore. Instead of throwing it out, we just filled it full of stuff. It's like used as a massive cupboard, and I mean, it's not a small fridge freezer, it's quite a...
What's in the inside of it?
I showed them earlier.
I mean, in this bottom bit.
Oh, you're going to show what's in the bottom of our fridge?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all that beer. Right, well that, you've never seen that in your freezer before, have you? You've got mega packs, washing up liquids, washing powders, God knows whatever that is, Ariel.
Look, see here.
And then that's all comforts, Lenore. And we got more down there. I think we got enough.
Look, the old big packet. Oh.
Yeah. Best thing is the company pays for it too. It's great.
Look, all.
It's going to keep us going for a bit, guys, isn't it?
Next year we start.
Yeah. Right, that's it. Bye for now. See ya.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit